Recently, Congressman Raha Krishnamoorthy announced that he's working on a bill called the AGI Safety Act. Here's the clip of him announcing it.
That's why I'm working on a new bill, the AGI Safety Act, that will require AGI to be aligned with human values and require it to comply with laws that apply to humans. This is just common sense.
Which is great news. So, we set up this area to make it very convenient to contribute by sending emails or sending letters or even having meetings with Congress members or their staff. So the link to that is in the description. Once you get there, it should be pretty clear what to do. There's going to be an explainer video over here that I haven't produced just yet. And also, there's some parallel projects, some stuff that's being done at the same time that's similar to working on the AGI Safety Act. So I put it in the same area, which is working on geopolitics ideas for preventing pandemics, and more, blah, blah, blah. And also, if you'd want to contribute to coming up with ideas for the bill, because the bill hasn't been introduced yet, and it can't be introduced until September 2nd, because the House of Representatives is in recess, which is basically summer break, in all of the red outline time. And Rahar Krishnamoorthy can't introduce the bill officially by then. So that's sort of your deadline for helping with the bill ideas, but you could still totally come up with ideas after. So the link to this area is also in the description, and it's intended to be that you can zoom in on any area and just look at the writing there and come up with an idea. So just to conclude, we now have the chance to help a congressman with a bill that might save the world. So then, let's get started.